Hello, my name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 15 years of experience, and today I will share with you the requirements and the process to apply if you have a Panamanian spouse. There is a type of permanent residence if your spouse is Panamanian, and you are eligible for a work permit if you apply also to this type of category. First, you will get a temporary ID for 2 years, and then once the application is submitted, you'll get permanent residence. This type of permanent residence requires 2 applications. The first one gives you a temporary ID for 2 years, and then the second application grants you permanent residence. And the requirements are very basic. If you're married in Panama, you have to show proof of marriage, which is a certificate that is given in our civil registry. And the requirements to apply are the following. You need to bring your criminal background check. Remember, your criminal background check has to be legalized by your nearest Panama consulate or legalized by apostille. Then you also have to bring your marriage certificate. Consider that if you got married outside of Panama, that marriage has to be registered in Panama. This is a process that has to be done at our civil registry and takes a couple of months. It has to be done by a lawyer, so consider doing that before you apply to this type of residence. The ID of your Panamanian spouse has to be also authenticated by the civil registry. You have to show that you have proof of address, which means that you have to find a place to live in Panama, being buying a property or having a rental. If you didn't get married in Panama, you have to bring 2 marriage certificates, and those 2 documents have to be legalized by your nearest Panama consulate. If you are not in Panama by the time your marriage certificate is going to be registered in Panama, you also have to sign a power of attorney to your lawyer, and that power of attorney has to be legalized as well. And while in Panama, you will fill up and sign some forms. Your spouse has to sign a letter of responsibility. You get some pictures and a health certificate. Please remember that all documents that are in English or another language than Spanish have to be legalized into Spanish. And once the application is submitted, you will get, as usual, a provisional ID for 6 months. Within that time, the immigration office will review your application and you'll get a temporary ID for 2 years. Remember that after 2 years, you have to apply again for permanent residence. You'll get your permanent ID, and then you'll be eligible to get also the e-cédula, which is your type of identity ID in Panama. And finally, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. We post a video every week. Follow us on social media, and if you're interested in our services and receiving more information about immigration, real estate, and other legal services, please contact us with the link below.